Whitby New Furnace. Are you looking for a Whitby New Furnace? Call on KDM for local service that goes above and beyond. Rely on licensed heating technicians who are as courteous as they are professional. Your furnace system not providing enough heat or blowing cold air instead. It's the time, maybe time for furnace replacing your existing old furnace with a high efficiency up to 98%. We will help you when you are looking for a Whitby New Furnace. Why use us? Are you looking for a Whitby New Furnace? Knowledgeable, insured and licensed technicians. Fully organized with best experts. Reliable and honest team. And so much more. Give us a chance and use our furnace repair and installation services. Call us today for help when you are looking for a Whitby New Furnace. HVAC mechanics install, maintain, and repair air conditioning systems, refrigeration systems, and combined heating, ventilation, and cooling systems. As an HVAC technician, you may find a specialty in one sector, but you are not limited. HVAC mechanics are licensed to work in residential, commercial, or industrial spaces as needed.